Hi guys, I want to show you this USB-C travel dock. Okay, so this is the unit itself. Just the packaging. If we compare this to the other unit, the Type E, so this is a Type E. Okay, so now we're gonna compare them. Okay. So this one has a Ethernet port, the Type E, but this one does not have. Okay, this is the same. So it's actually exactly the same, just a pass-through power, I think. No, this is not pass-through. This is the USB-C slot. This one has it here, while they put the Ethernet here. Okay, so the only difference is the Ethernet port. So that's why it's called the Type E. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for joining by. See you again next time. Bye. God bless.